WhalesBot STEM and AI Experience Center, an immersive journey designed for young explorers. There are no do not touch signs here, only limitless exploration. The future is within reach. WhalesBot is home to the world's largest educational robotics industrial base, spanning 66 acres. It is also home to one of the world's best-selling educational robotics brands. Get up close to cutting-edge bionic robots, discover how AI-powered joints work, and explore the logic behind sensor operations. Become an explosive ordnance disposal expert and operate specialized robots. Experience the precision of military robotic technology. Everything you can imagine is right here. Explore the Smart Robot Factory and see how robots build robots. Experience the magic of AI-powered manufacturing. This is a one-of-a-kind experience, available only in this robotic space. Then watch an exhilarating robot football match. Immerse yourself in the unique appeal of technology-empowered sport. Try mind-controlled racing, where your hands and thoughts work in tandem. It is a thrilling, heart-racing challenge. Challenge a robot to a game of Chinese chess and enjoy the fun of human-machine play. Discover the many dimensions of cutting-edge technology, all in one place. Guided by professional instructors, learn about technology and robotics step by step. Through an interdisciplinary approach, we support every child's all-around development. This is far more than just a visit. WhalesBot AI and Robotics Experience Center, an exclusive AI journey for young explorers.